This recording will be a study guide for the Indiana motorcycle permit. Please feel free to listen to this often so that you can memorize these questions and answers to help you prepare for your permit test. Let's get started. Number 1. When you are approaching an intersection, the best way to reduce time is to cover the clutch and brakes to reduce reaction time. 2. Because a motorcycle has a smaller profile than a car, it is less visible. 3. For most stable riding, your knees and feet should be positioned against the gas tank and firmly on the foot pegs. 4. Start your motorcycle with your right wrist flat. 5. If you lock the rear brake on a surface with good traction, you can keep it locked until you come to a complete stop. 6. Which of the following statements about animals are true? If you encounter a large animal, elk or a deer or cattle on the road, be prepared to stop, and if you are being chased by a dog, downshift and approach the animal slowly. As you approach it, accelerate away and leave the animal behind. You should avoid hitting an animal if you are in traffic. However, make sure to remain in your lane. Yes, all of those are correct. 7. When riding at night, you can increase your safety by wearing reflective clothing, reducing your speed, and using your high beam. So all are correct. Number 8. Which is the best lane position for being seen by the driver of a vehicle ahead of you? The center lane. 9. What are 2 ways to avoid obstacles in your path? Stopping and swerving. 10. The gear shift lever is located in front of the left footrest. 11. When you are stopped at a stop sign, your motorcycle should remain in first gear. 12. Which of the following should be avoided when carrying cargo? Well, fastening excess cargo to the sissy bar should not be done. 13. A motorcycle typically requires the same distance to stop as a car does. 14. When you are preparing to pass a vehicle, you should ride in the left lane position. 15. If the throttle is stuck and twisting back and forth does not free it, you should operate the engine cutoff switch and pull in the clutch at the same time. 16. When riding in the city, you should check for hazards at least a half a block ahead. 17. When stopping in a curve, you should straighten the motorcycle upright. 18. When you load saddlebags, you should load them evenly with the same weight, if at all possible. 19. To turn your motorcycle, you should press on the hand grip in the direction of the turn and lean in the direction of the turn. 20. When preparing to enter the roadway from the roadside, how should you position your motorcycle? Well, you position yourself at an angle. 21. Use your feet to maintain balance by keeping them on the footrests. 22. When parked beside a curb, your motorcycle should be positioned at an angle with the rear wheel to the curb, unless your state ordinance differs. 23. Motorcycle cargo should not be secured with a rope because ropes can loosen and knots can become undone. 24. If an unexpected obstacle requires you to swerve left, you should press on the left hand grip. 25. The front brake is most important because it provides 70% of your stopping power. 26. When approaching a blind intersection with a stop line, you should stop at the stop line first, and then if you need to, you can edge forward. 27. Why are motorcycle crashes common in curves? Well, a motorcycle may run wide in the curve if the motorcyclist isn't careful. 26. What do gravel, lane markings, and road edges have in common? They provide poor traction for motorcycles. 29. All of the following affect your blood alcohol level except the time of day. 30. How can you increase your visibility at blind intersections? Well, choose a lane position that lets you be seen as soon as possible. 31. If there are 2 or more motorcyclists riding together, they should ride in a staggered formation. 32. To increase your chances of being seen by another vehicle, you should wear reflective clothing. 33. When you are being passed on the left, which lane position should you ride in? The center lane. This discourages the other vehicle from trying to lane share with you. 34. Before each ride, you should adjust the side mirrors. 35. Which lane position or positions are safest for motorcycles? Well, it depends on the situation. There is no single right answer. 36. During slow and tight turns, you should lead your motorcycle while keeping your body straight. Once again, number 36. During slow and tight turns, you should lean your motorcycle while keeping your body straight. 37. If your motorcycle is not equipped with a windshield, or even if it is, you should wear safety goggles or a face shield. This is a trick question. In Indiana, you are required to wear safety goggles or a face shield. 38. Before you mount your motorcycle for a trip, you should check your fluids, the signal lights, and the tires, clutch, and brakes, so all of the above. 39. The most effective braking method is to use both the front and rear brakes at the same time. 40. Help other vehicle operators notice that you are slowing down by flashing your brake light. 41. When you ride in a group, don't tailgate the rider in front of you. If you want to ride faster in a group, ride in the front of the group so you do not tailgate. 42. How can you increase your chances of being seen? Well, use your headlight, wear bright clothing, and choose the best lane position. So all of the above. 43. When braking on slippery surfaces, you should always use both brakes. 44. If you think another vehicle may try to share the lane, you should ride in the center lane position to discourage this. 45. To start your motorcycle on an upgrade, you should use the rear brake to hold you until the engine takes hold. 46. The safest way to cross an obstacle is at a 90-degree angle. 47. What are the 4 steps of making a proper turn? Well, slow, look, press, and roll. 48. In any collision, you have a far better chance of avoiding serious injury when you wear a motorcycle helmet that is US DOT compliant, when you are also wearing protective clothing and a face or eye protection. So all of the above. 49. When making a normal turn, should the motorcycle rider lean? Yes, they should. The rider should lean with the motorcycle. And lastly, 50. On a highway, you see other vehicles about to merge into your lane from an entrance ramp. You should move into another lane if one is open, give them plenty of room, and if you cannot change lanes, adjust your speed to open space for the merging vehicles. So I hope that this helped everybody out. And I hope that you pass your test as I am hoping that I passed mine. If you liked what you heard or read here, please feel free to give me some feedback and share this, as it was very hard to try to find a single source that would act as a study guide without having to read between the lines. Thank you very much. Have a good day and always ride safe.